Stop editing your videos like it's the past. If you're still dragging clips on a timeline, you're wasting hours. Here's what pros use now. Descript. You edit video by editing text. You delete a word, the video cuts. It's that simple. I'm going to show you exactly how this works, start to finish. Descript is a video editor where everything is text-based. You import a video. It transcribes every word automatically. Then you edit the transcript and the video edits itself. No timeline, no complicated tools, just text. Here's why this matters. A 10-minute talking head video takes about 30 to 45 minutes to edit on a traditional timeline. With Descript, you can do it in 10, maybe less. The transcription alone saves you from scrubbing through footage to find moments. Descript has a free plan. You get 1 hour of transcription per month, watermark-free exports for the first video each month, and all the core editing features. No credit card needed. That's the plan I'm using right now. Let's create a project. Open Descript, click New Project, name it whatever you want. I'll call mine Tutorial. Click Create. Now you need media. Click Choose a file to transcribe or just drag and drop a video in. Descript accepts pretty much every format. I'll use a clip I recorded earlier. Once it imports, Descript starts transcribing automatically. This takes about the same time as your video length. A 5-minute video takes roughly 5 minutes. It's fast. Here's what you see now. Left panel, your files and projects. Center, the transcript. That's your timeline now. Right panel, properties and tools. And the video preview is top right. The key thing to understand is that transcript is your editing interface. Every word you see is linked to a specific moment in the video. Here's how you edit. You want to remove something you said? Highlight the text, hit delete. The video is cut. That's the entire workflow. Find the words you don't want, delete them, video is edited. No timeline scrubbing, no cutting tools, no razor blade tool, just text. Now here's something even better. If Descript gets a word wrong in the transcript, and let's be honest, it happens, you can correct it. Just click the word and type. It doesn't change your video, but it makes your transcript accurate. And accurate transcripts help with search. And here's the crazy part. Descript can remove filler words automatically. Gone. Click the filter icon, select remove filler words, and Descript scans your entire video. One click, all the filler words are highlighted. You can remove them all at once or review each one. For a 10-minute video, this saves you at least 15 minutes of manual cuts. You just saved time in a few clicks. Now, what if you want to add B-roll? A screenshot, a graphic, another video clip. In a traditional editor, you'd drag it onto a second track, line it up, trim it. Here, you just type. Type a / where you want the visual to appear. Descript shows you options: image, video, screen recording, title card. Select what you want, upload it, done. It overlays at exactly the right moment, where your cursor was in the transcript. You can resize it, reposition it, set how long it stays on screen, all from the right panel. No track management, no keyframes unless you want them. This is what makes Descript different. You're editing the story, not wrestling with software. The transcript keeps you focused on what actually matters, what you're saying and when. When you're done, hit export. Descript gives you options: video, audio, transcript, or a timeline export to another editor like Premiere or DaVinci. Pick your resolution, format, quality. Click export. Export speed depends on your project length, but it's generally fast. A 10-minute video with a few overlays exports in about 3 to 4 minutes on a decent computer. And there's your finished video. Every cut, every transition, every filler word removed, all done by editing text. Not a single drag on the timeline. So here's the truth. Descript isn't perfect for everything. If you're doing heavy motion graphics, complex multicam edits, or color grading, you still need a traditional editor. Descript is best for talking head content, tutorials, podcasts, interviews, anything where the words matter more than visual effects. Also, the free plan limits you to 1 watermark-free export per month and 1 hour of transcription. That's enough to test it, learn it, and make a video. If you like it, the paid plans start at $24 a month. Honestly, for the time it saves, that's cheap. If you want more tools that actually work, no fluff, no coding, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next one.